5 ways to make money online without spending a dime. In today's video, we will uncover 5 secrets to make money online without spending any money. 1. Sell photos. Sell your photos on stock photo websites like Foap and Shutterstock and turn your passion into profit. 2. Online surveys and reviews. If you enjoy sharing your opinions, platforms like Swagbucks, Junkie, and Vindale Research let you participate in surveys, watch videos, and write reviews to earn points or cash. 3. Start a blog. Share your thoughts, expertise, and experiences through a blog. 4. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, check out platforms like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com. You can tutor others online and make some extra income. 5. Social media management. Offering social media management services is a great way to earn money. Businesses and individuals are always looking to enhance their online presence, and you can do it right from your phone.